So AI Day is just around the corner, and I'll be honest, the latest crash investigation has really put a damper on the AI Day excitement for Tesla fans and Tesla investors like myself. I'm a big Tesla fan. I always look forward to any news that comes out of Tesla. Doesn't matter, it's big or small. I had big plans to take full advantage of AI Day, both in terms of technologically soothing my brain and financially satisfying my wallet. Let me show you my $925,000 bet, or I would say $1 million bet for Tesla AI Day. Let me take you back to Battery Day, and that was one of the most exciting time in my opinion for Tesla stockholders. With so much money in the market, and on top of that, the latest stock split news, everything was all green for Tesla. Well, I thought we will get the same excitement along AI Day, but the latest crash investigation put water on all those desires. Nonetheless, I always say in my videos that a good investor is always looking for opportunity regardless of red or green days. That's exactly what I did. When the consumer data came out yesterday, we saw not so good numbers. I knew that the market will react badly. And by Tuesday, the Tesla investigation on the crash news had already been a day old. Usually it takes Tesla 3 days to completely shrug off a bad news if no new development comes out of that bad news. So I kind of knew that Tesla stock will make a green move today. So I went ahead and sold some big bets for AI Day, which is Friday, which is happening on Thursday, but I sold the bet for expiring for Friday, August 20th. So here's my $600,000 bet that I sold. What I did was I sold 10 cash covered puts right here for Tesla expiring this Friday for strike of $600, and for that I got about $1 per put in return. Now if you look at the risk and reward, this trade doesn't make sense at all. Basically what I'm doing is I'm putting aside $600,000 and TradeMaker is paying me $1 for each one of those contracts, basically $1,000. So I'm making $1,000 by putting $600,000 on the side, which doesn't make sense if you look at from the investing term. Risk and reward doesn't make sense. But here's the deal. Tesla is a company which I don't mind owning 1,000 more shares of Tesla at $600. I have always believed in the company big time and always have bought the company all the way through. Now, if you notice here, this account has about 3,440 Tesla stock or Tesla shares. I have multiple accounts, but this account holds about 3,440 Tesla shares. My average on this account is $221. This is my average price for the stock. So you can see that I own or I bought the stock at a very cheaper price. I've been buying Tesla when it was $11. So I don't worry about, the stock. If I were to buy at $600, my average is going to go up. It doesn't matter because for me, the more stock I own right now, the better it is. So then what I did was, on top of that I knew that usually Tesla stock runs up for the AI Day, and that's happening right now when we are talking, and when I'm recording this video, Tesla stock is running up because tomorrow is AI Day. So I went ahead and I actually sold 5 more puts for $650 strike, which was much closer to the price of the stock where it is right now. I mean, yesterday it was a lot closer to $650, and I sold it for September 17th, basically betting another $325,000 that, hey, if the stock price is at $650 by September 17th, I promise to buy 500 shares of Tesla at $650 a share, and I got paid about $150 for it. Now, in today's market, when I'm recording this video, I'm already making about 11% on this trade right here that I've sold yesterday, and I'm making about 71% here because this trade is worthless. It's the Tesla stock is at 680, and this expires on Friday. So this is going to be 100% if I don't do anything. Now, if Tesla stock drops after the AI Day, of course it always does. Tesla stock will come down after the AI Day. I'm absolutely fine owning 1,000 shares of Tesla here at $600. If it stays below $650 by September 17th, I'm absolutely fine owning another 500 shares of Tesla. See, my average, as I told you, is about $221. I've been buying Tesla since it was $11, but at that time I didn't have much money, or else I would have bought a lot more shares. So I'm absolutely fine without worrying about my average to go up, because I know that in the long run, this does not matter. I mean, this company, I believe 100%, and I know that this stock is going to go up. To be very honest, I feel the Tesla stock is going to be over $1,200 in the next 12 months. So basically double where it is sitting right now. So I'm absolutely fine placing these bets right here. And if the stock dips more, let's say that the stock goes to 620, 630, 600 by Friday, and if these don't get executed, I will go ahead and buy pure share. I don't worry about then puts or selling puts or anything like right at that time. I would just go and buy the pure stock. Anytime I get a little bit of money, I put aside towards Tesla stock and a few other of my high conviction stock. So I really truly feel that is the company that I 100% support. Tesla is one of my biggest holdings and of course one of my biggest supporting companies. And I'm okay to invest as much money as I can. That's why I'm betting almost $1 million over just one event. In the long term, I truly feel that this company is going to dominate and will truly be a cash cow, as Dave Lee and Rob Maurer of Tesla Daily has mentioned time and again. I love their channels, by the way, so much good reporting. And I'm attaching a video here where I talk about Tesla to hit 10 trillion. It's one of my early videos, so I in advance apologize for the bad audio and the lighting. I was still learning a few things, but do check it out as it has some amazing info on Tesla and how it's going to grow. Thank you as always for joining me. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.